In this video, I'm going to go over receiving an invoice, previewing photos, paying for photos, and then the next video will be downloading your photos. So here we've received the invoice. We're going to click pay, and that's going to open up this screen right here, and you will have a preview button where you can preview your photos and you can pay for your photos. So it's pay, preview, then pay. So I know it seems like you would be preview, pay, but you want to click the pay button in your invoice email to get it to open up to the preview window. And then you're going to preview your photos, and then you're going to pay for your photos. And then you will receive a download link. And in the next video, we'll cover downloading your photos. Thank you.